Okay, hello, this is Dr. Jaynes, and today we're going to do some interesting experiments. I built a torsion field generator, and a while back I built a torsion field detector, which picked up torsion fields from my hands, but this is going to be an artificial torsion field generator. It's not going to be biologically based. And I'll show you the experiment. It looks like it's working. Okay, so if you've been watching my videos, you would know that this is some of the equipment that I have been working on. And I have a little switch here. I can make the field go forward or reverse by flipping that switch. And I have a bunch of amplifiers and some special signal generators and other things. So, I'm going to take a look over here across the room. And there is my torsion field detector. Let's take a look over here. Okay, so I have a box here, and I have my special torsion field generator inside this box, and I'm not going to show you what's in there. But here's our torsion psychotronic detector, and I've shown in my other videos I can't do it with one hand because I got to hold the camera, but I will charge it up with two hands, and then this thing will rotate one direction when I spin the field one way, and it will rotate the other direction when I spin the field the opposite way. Okay, so I'll get my camera set up and we'll start doing experiments. Should be interesting. Okay, I guess, let's see if I can get in here. And we will charge this guy up. And I basically charge it up with life energy. Kind of relax and concentrate and let the life energy flow into this guy. Okay. And once it gets charged up, it will start to kind of turn by itself. And you can tell it's charged up. Okay. And see if I can zoom in on it. Okay, so there it is. Let me bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so there is our torsion field detector. Okay, so I have my other camera rolling, and we will just hook up the power to our torsion field device. And as soon as we do that, it should start rotating. And I let off the power, and it rotates back. Okay, and let me flip the switch. I'm going to change the polarity. Okay, and we'll hook up the power again. It should rotate the other way this time. I'll let off the power. Okay, let me just let it settle down for a second. Okay. So we'll put the power back on. Okay. It looks like it's rotating the other way now. I'll let off the power. Okay. It's coming back. Let's do that again. Put the power back on. Okay. Let me just change the field polarity so it rotates the opposite way again. Okay. We'll let this guy settle down a little bit. Okay. And let's turn the power back on. Okay, so now it's rotating the other way. Turn the power off. Okay. Let it settle down for a second. It's still oscillating. It's a torsion pendulum, so it will oscillate a little bit. Once you get it oscillating, let's let it settle down. And, okay, let's turn the power back on. I think the life energy might be out of it. Well, once the life energy wears off, then the effect is gone. But definitely you could see when you put the power on that when I have the field rotating one way, it causes the torsion pendulum to twist one way. And when I reverse the direction with a switch here that I got, then it goes the opposite way. Anyway, very interesting, huh? Okay, so it was hard for me to watch both cameras at the same time last time, but it appears that what happened was that it was still oscillating when you charge up these this detector that I made. It will oscillate a little bit before it settles down. So let's just repeat that experiment, and I'll just make sure it stops oscillating before I put the torsion field on again. And we'll try doing it forward and reverse. And okay, still oscillating. I think it might have settled down. Okay, so let's try. I think we have our setup ready, and let's just put the field on. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Put the field on, take it off. Okay. Let it settle down for a little bit. Okay. Looks like it's going to oscillate some more. Let it settle down for a little bit. Let's try putting the field on again. Okay. I'll take it off. Let's just try reversing the direction and see what happens. Okay. Let's put the field on. Take it off. Put the field on. Take it off. Put the field on. Take it off. Field on. Take it off. Let's reverse the direction. We'll see what happens. Take it off. Field on. Take it off. Put the field on. Take it off. Yeah, I need to charge it up for a little bit more. Okay, I just got through charging it up, and it's still oscillating a little bit. I'll wait for it to stop oscillating, then I'll try putting the field on again. Settle down. Okay, let's try this. Okay. It definitely looks like it's turning. Take the field off. See that it restores. Okay, let me put the field back on. Okay, I'll take it off. Let me reverse the direction while it's still charged up. Okay, I'll wait for it to stop oscillating a little bit. Let me put the field on. Okay, it looks like it's turning the other way now. Take the field off. Okay. I'll let it sit for a second. Looks like it restored. I'll put the field back on. Okay, I think it's turning again. Let me reverse the field. Try that. Okay, field's on. Take the field off. It looks like it's restored some. Put the field back on. The torque's, see, it looks like it's driven. It's got quite a bit of torque there. Take the field off. Okay. Yeah, I can reverse the field back and forth. See what happens then. Let's hook this up continuously. Turn the field one way. Okay. Now we turn it the other way. Let me turn it back. Let's see if I can drive the pendulum back and forth. It feels reversed now. I'll drive it the other way. Let me reverse it again. I think the charge might be wearing down. Okay, I don't want to burn something up. Okay, so very interesting. Torsion fields. I'm going to be doing some more research on this. So, anyway, this is going to be an interesting project. Anyway, I'm going to do some interesting experiments, I think, with this torsion field. Should be very interesting. This is Dr. Jaynes, and thanks for watching.